Hi guys, it's your Ingeniero Chuper and welcome back to my channel. And with me is my kid Caleb. And today guys, meron akong isi-share sa inyo since 3.5 years na yung unit ko. Gusto kong i-check kung okay pa ba ang wheel alignment ng unit ko. I mean, gusto kong i-check kung okay pa ba yung mga under chassis parts niya, kung meron bang umaalog or stable pa rin ba. Kaya simulan na natin. All we need is itong diamond car jack. Importante na itutok natin siya dito sa indicator. After that, we are good to go para i-jack up siya. Itong si Caleb gustong tumulong kaya hinayaan ko na. So ito, gamit ko yung ratchet ko para mas mabilis. Iangat natin siya enough lang para maiikot natin yung gulong.
Okay.
Pero bago yan, let us make sure na naka-engage itong handbrake natin para hindi gumulong yung unit natin habang ginagalaw natin itong front wheel. Paikutin muna natin and then after that, alug-alugin natin siya in each direction para malaman natin kung may play or meron bang loose na parts sa under chassis natin. Pero so far, so good and I am so happy. Since andito na tayo, i-check ko na rin yung brake pads kung okay pa ba. After traveling 27,000 kilometers, so far makapal pa siya. So we are good to go. Ibalik na natin yung hub cover and proceed tayo sa next part. So the next part is to check the tire. So ito yung tire natin after 3.5 years and 20,000 kilometers. Medyo makapal pa siya. So i-check natin kung pantay pa ba yung pagkapudpod ng gulong. Kasi kung pantay siya, ibig sabihin, yung wheel natin is well aligned. And, chinek ko rin yung pag-ikot niya, kung wala bang sabit. I am so happy na walang umaalog and makapal pa yung gulong. So, ibaba natin to and let's move to the back. Andito pa rin si Caleb, gusto pa rin tumulong. Kaya, hinayaan ko na.
Bring me that.
Same thing, siguraduhin na tutok ito sa indicator para safe yung pag-lift natin. Kaya iangat natin. Pero bago yan, punta tayo sa harap and ibaba natin tong handbrake. Pagkatapos, i-engage natin yung transmission to first gear para fix yung harap at sigurado tayo na hindi gugulong yung kotse. At the same time, may ikot natin yung likuran. Actually, walang kinalaman yung likod when we talk about wheel alignment kasi naka-fix ito. What I want to know is kung smooth pa ba yung rolling or yung pag-ikot ng rear wheel. So nakikita ko dito na very smooth pa rin yung bearing sa likod. And eto, after 3.5 years or 27,000 kilometers, makapal pa rin yung gulong, very sulit, and pantay yung pagkapudpud niya. So ayan, na-verify ko na okay yung rear wheel. So ibaba na rin natin to and we'll do the same on the other side. But hindi ko na siya ipapakita. So to summarize, I am very happy to know na yung MG5 ko is well aligned yung gulong and makapal pa yung tires niya. So ayan, I hope this video is helpful to you. It's your Ingeniero Chuper. Thank you for watching. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.